चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
All right, let's cut across to these live visuals that are coming in from Italy. President Joe Biden has just arrived for the G7 summit, which rather begins today. It is a 3-day summit that will be attended by 7 countries, including the US. And note, Prime Minister Modi is, of course, a special invitee. While Prime Minister will be departing in just some time from now. The visuals on your screens is of the G7 leaders. All 7 G7 leaders can be seen in these live visuals that are just coming in from the summit venue. You see the G7 countries, including US President Joe Biden. You see Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, Emmanuel Macron, Meloni standing beside Macron, and Joe Biden, of course, also there, along with the Japan Prime Minister Fumio Kishida and UK Prime Minister Rishi Sunak, among others. So it's the 50th G7 summit that begins today, with Prime Minister Modi also set to head to Italy to be a part of the G7 summit. That was a photo op by the G7 leaders. You see Rishi Sunak along with President Joe Biden, Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau, Fumio Kishida, among others, who are present for the 3-day G7 summit that kickstarts today itself. Note that India has been invited as an outreach country in the G7 summit that begins today. Other than Prime Minister Modi, special invites have also been sent to Algerian President, the Kenyan President, Tunisian President, Brazilian President, along with the Turkish President. As we speak, this is the photo op of the G7 leaders, and the focal points of the discussion in the G7 will be climate change, the tensions in the Middle East, particularly the Israel-Hamas war, the Russia-Ukraine war that rages on for over 2 years now, with specific focus on the Indo-Pacific region and economic security among the G7 nations. So a packed agenda in this 3-day summit that kickstarts today itself. As we speak, you see the G7 leaders in a photo op, and EU chief extending greetings to President Joe Biden as we speak. So yes, a lot of special invites have also been sent, which include Prime Minister Modi, of course. Other than him, Tunisian President, Brazilian President, Turkish President, Algerian President, to be also among those who have been invited as special guests to be a part of the G7 summit. Also notably note a statement that came in from National Security Advisor of the US, Jake Sullivan, who said that on the sidelines of the G7 summit, a meet is also expected between President Joe Biden and Prime Minister Modi. So yes, while there is going to be bilateral talks between Meloni and Prime Minister Modi, there is also expectation on the cards that a meeting could happen between President Joe Biden and Prime Minister Modi.